Breaking news, big breaking Hojik Manipur da Hojik da phangba pauda Manipur da Hojik si Article 356 imposed tore habegi Hojik khudak paula e masise Hojik Bharat ki Gazette, the Gazette of India da thokhiba notification da India ki President Sri Draupadi Murmu na Article 356 proclaim tore habegi pau yauri Hojik se New Delhi degi lakpa Ministry of Home Affairs notification 13th February 2025 Gazette notification that the following proclamation by the President is published for general information, whereas I, Draupadi Murmu, the President of India, have received a report from the Governor of the State of Manipur, and after considering the report and other information received by me, I am satisfied that a situation has arisen in which the government of that state cannot be carried on in accordance with the provisions of the Constitution of India, hereinafter referred to as the Constitution. Now, therefore, in exercise of the powers conferred by Article 356 of the Constitution and of all other parts enabling me, I hereby proclaim that I, haina points kaya ama piraga hoje akogi screen da uli basini order of Article 356 Manipur da hojik imposed obagi hojik Manipur da hojik oina PR President Rule Article 356 proclaim toroga in PR laire haibasimak che do koi hojik footage oina breaking news oina uchari basini viewers sing da su mutanga hana haijage hojik se Manipur da Article 356 janare haibasini masini hojik ki footage si it's big breaking just now.